Ah, crap. Okay, here we go. 3 minutes. Let's see how fast I can go. See if I can get any hot topics here. Yeah, so, this is just kind of this development. And remember, LA came in late in the game. Some big topics. Migration. These are some of the things I just sort of talked through. Good to have this general sense. Our relationship to the Philippines is something that would be easy to overlook. That we have this long history. A lot of Filipinos in California. Okay, this idea of race. And remember, I introduced this, institutionalized racism in California. So we use it in the census, but it's also something that is, this idea that it's a biological myth, right? We saw that whole film about that and then talked about things like the Chinese Exclusion Act, the Japanese internment, right? These things that, we sort of put into laws, things that actually discriminated. Okay, trends, right? Why California? We're a culture hearth, right? Why in California? Okay, so we talked about this with this group, this idea that, Californians kind of ended up being sort of risk takers, and so this is kind of propagated through the centuries. We did talk a little bit about some of these poverty issues and some of the challenges, right, that California presents, especially, the high cost of living. We have, in pockets, very high poverty rates. Okay, we didn't get a chance to talk too much about the rural sector. Just kind of push through some of these things, some of your leading crops. Kind of recognize the big crops that, make up the bulk of California agriculture. Kind of left an imprint on agriculture. Some of the issues in California agriculture. Some of the concerns and challenges. Public lands, we did talk a little bit, quite a bit actually, about public lands, how people relate to public lands. Forest management. Yeah, you get the idea. Isn't it time? Did you guys get all those? All right, yeah, I'll go ahead and save this out there. All right, sorry to this group that didn't get the floor, but hopefully that got you guys a sense of what we're doing on Study Hard. It's almost spring break. Hang in there. So I think, let's see, I asked to chat with someone before we depart, so sure to stop in. Okay, let's see.
I was going to take off.